Hi guys, to receive this 3-light pattern vanity light for reviewing purposes, it comes with the user manual, the main unit, and it comes really well protected with lots of foam because it has the light fixtures, okay? Some screws, and in here, over here, are the lights, okay? As you can see, they are really nice. So let's go ahead and install it. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It was a quick installation, just some screws, some basic wiring, that's all. I love how this part of the lamp looks between the metal frame and the skillet shade. I think it looks really nice. And because it was really easy to install it and didn't take that much long and it's really beautiful, I would really recommend it. See you guys.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.